Good morning, dear students. Hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Today, we are going to continue with our topic parts of speech. You will write this topic in your grammar notebook as the continuation. So, let's repeat. There are 8 parts of speech. Okay, and we have learnt about noun and pronoun. What is a noun? Noun is the name of person, place, animal and the thing. Okay, and what is a pronoun? Words which are used in place of noun are called as a pronoun. So today we are going to learn about verb and adverb because these two are connected to each other. So we have to learn about verb and adverb in this session. So let's move. You can see in this picture people are doing actions. Okay, walk means that this lady, she is walking. Yes, the man is running. She is laughing. The baby is crawling. The baby is crying. The lady is pushing. The man is pulling. The girl is listening. The lady is singing. The girl is reading. The Santa Claus is standing up. The Santa Claus is sitting down. The girl is thinking. The girl is smiling. The couples are dancing. Mother is cooking. Mother is eating. She is doing exercise. They are looking or watching into the laptop. Now the boy is throwing the ball. The girl is drinking water. So some actions are happen in this picture with everybody. So the action words are only called the verbs. Okay. The action words are called as the verb. Now, what is a verb? What is a verb? A verb is an action word. Okay. Now, we will move to adverb. Now, what is adverb? The name itself says adverb. Two words are there, that is add and a verb. Add means addition. Okay, addition to verb. It means something, it adds something to the verb. The adverb adds something to the verb. You can see some adverbs are here. Noisily, quickly, calmly, soundly, silently, angrily, carefully, excitedly. All these are the adverbs. You can see here the verb and the adverb. So this is the example of verb and adverb. I slept soundly. I walked calmly. I sat quietly. I watched carefully. Now you can see here verbs and adverbs. Okay. I ran quickly. I shouted loudly. I wrote neatly. I listened intently. So we have done this activity in our poem number 9, that is dress quickly. Question number 2. What was that question? Make new words by adding ly to the following words. Then use the new words in your own sentences. At that time, I told you that we will make a sentence with the verb and adverb. Okay, so there we was having slow, we added slow was there. Okay, so we added ly, slowly, and we made a sentence that write slowly. So write is a verb and slowly is the adverb. So what sentence will become? I write slowly. So you can go through on the page number of 33 of your workbook and you will get the questions over there. Verbs. So verbs are the words for things that I can do, I have done, and I will do. Verbs tells us about I can do, I have done, and I will do. And adverbs are the words to explain how I did. Yes, adverbs explain us how I did it. I wrote, for example, I wrote. How I wrote? Slowly. Yes. So the wrote is a verb and slowly is a adverb. Means I wrote slowly. So the verb slowly adds more explanation to the verb. So adverb is a word is explain how I did the work. Okay, my dear students.